Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase, pricing, and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch was launched in 2023, a handsome all-arounder that could very easily be your only watch. It is the Patek Philippe Calatrava 6007G-001. So this watch is based heavily on the 6007A of 2020, but in white gold, it's a bit heftier and grander and has a lively combination of black, white, and yellow accents on its dial. It is in the tradition of the 5000, the 6000, and the 6006. In terms of the case shape, you'll immediately recognize it. Dial layout as well. 40 millimeters in diameter. It's 9.4 millimeters thick from lug tip to lug tip. 48.4 millimeters with a broad 22 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. We'll throw it on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference. You'll get a look at it. The strap is stiff. It hasn't been broken in, so I'm pulling it tight, probably compressing my wrist here. But I would recommend this for wrists of, let's say, 16 centimeters circumference or larger, because it is a broad watch and the shape of the lugs is quite flat. So across the wrist, there's not a whole lot of camber here. There's a little bit of curvature at the end, but you can see down the barrel of my wrist, this really is filling out my wrist. So not a huge watch, but I would recommend you think of it more as a 41 or a 42 because it sort of wears that way. So my size wrist is fine. I would wear this happily, but if your wrist is any smaller, you're going to want to look at a 6006 or a 6000. In profile, you can see it is very thin, and with a sloped bezel that is extremely flat, almost a flat rather than domed bezel, it'll slide easily under a dress cuff. The strap is substantial and cheerful. It has what appears to be a carbon fiber textile weave to it, but this is actually hot stamped, so it's all leather. And then we have a contrasting yellow stitch. The edge is actually folded rather than cut, and then underneath, yellow calfskin. We have Patek Philippe's pull tab spring bar, so you can pop the strap off without a tool. Patek Philippe logo, Calatrava cross, no crimping, no gouging, brand new factory strap. And we've got a simple and elegant matching white gold pin buckle. Now this is white gold, it's gray gold. It is the type of 18 karat white gold that's white all the way through and never needs to be rhodium plated. And so if it does get scratched, it's the same color underneath. Taking a look, the blended lug profile is a lovely, elegant aesthetic, but I also love the way the lugs wrap around their outer faces. The curvature of the case wraps around the tip of the lug. You could see that there's a very simple and flat junction between bezel and case that gives it a little bit of a sporty aesthetic. There's almost a severity to the junction of the bezel and the case flank. We've got a push-down crown, 30-meter water resistance, though Patek now describes a push-down crown and 30-meter water resistance as actually swimmable to 30 meters. So on that basis, if you were to put this on a water-resistant strap, when you combine the automatic winding, the versatile color, the fact that it is very well loomed, this becomes a watch that could very well be considered a sports watch or your only watch. Yes, including aquatics. Now, I mentioned that it's got a versatile color. Well, with a black dial and a white metal case, you could wear this all the time. This is not on the dressy side of the Calatrava spectrum. This is about as sporty as a Calatrava gets. And like I said, there is a lot of lume. Now, crown, Calatrava cross, functions, yes, we do have hacking seconds. Most of the recent in-house Patek Philippe calibers have had this, so the old saw about no-hack Pateks is increasingly outdated. So this is an easy watch to set precisely to a reference time to the second, and then we've also got a quick set system for rapidly cycling the date should you need to do so. The center dial is also embossed, and you can see a little bit like the stamp on the strap. It's designed to be a carbon fiber weave pattern. That is Patek's specific reference. They use that language, not I. We have blackened hands for the hours and minutes, then a yellow lacquered Lancet style counterweighted seconds hand. We have a so-called racing dial track for reading the seconds, fractions of seconds, seconds and minutes, akin to what you'd see on a late 60s through mid-70s Omega Speedmaster racing dial chronograph. We have white gold hands, though they're blackened, and white gold numerals, so they'll never oxidize, tarnish, or discolor. They also give us a lovely applique third dimension to this dial, and then we'll turn it all over, and we've got caliber 26-330 SC. Debuting in 2019, this is sort of the latest generation of the center rotor Patek Philippe automatic. So it introduces some modifications to the winding system. It introduces the hack seconds function. There's some small architectural and technical differences, but most of the big tech specs of the previous 324 remain. So 4 Hz beat rate, free-sprung gyromax style balance, anti-magnetic Spiromax hairspring. That 4 Hz beat rate wears down a single barrel 45-hour power reserve with the quick set date, and now, yes, with the hacking seconds. You can see that this is a 30 joule movement, and it is adjusted in 6 positions, one more than a standard chronometer, and Patek now attesting to the accuracy of these movements as no worse than -1 + 2 seconds per 24 hours. We have the Calatrava cross on the rotor, linear stripes on the movement, circular stripes on the rotor, engine turning on the rotor center as well as the base plate, mirrored bevels on the edge of the bridges, polished screw heads with chamfered slots in circumference, and you can see we have polished bevels in the jewel sinks as well. It is a good-looking movement. And that flat hairspring made of silicone is actually so precisely profiled that even though it is a flat hairspring, it can breathe concentrically like an overcoil because its mass is perfectly centered by the deep reactive ion etching production process. You can't do that with metal, you can do that with silicone. So if you love this watch, reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.